Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to safely transfer money from USA to Canada, and these are some of the methods. The first one is XC, and this one has 63,000 reviews. Next one is Wise, and this has 1 lakh or 197,000 reviews. Then we have Currency Fair, which has 6,000 reviews. After that we have Remitly, which has 43,000 reviews. Then we have Currencies Direct, which has 10,000 reviews, and among all of this is the best reviewed, but I will personally suggest Wise. Then on the list we have OFX with 6,000 and Western Union with 59,000. So you can see that a comparison has been done here. The money transfer rate is 7. The cheapest one is XC, which has the cheapest cost of 12 USD. The fastest is Wise, and the fastest time has Instant, which is 2 days. And the currently best rated is Currency Direct. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.